Hi, my name is Melissa Majori. I'm from Alessi Bakery, and I'm going to talk to you today about some disposable pastry bags. A lot of traditional pastry bags are the traditional white cloth polyurethane or a traditional French cloth bag that you might be using to actually put in your decorating colors and tips to use for decorating. These are some trendy little disposable bags that are actually clear and translucent. They're really good for like quick purposes if you have to use a lot of colors, a lot of different tips, and you really don't have the time or the efficiency to change and interuse your bags. You can make multiple colors. One of the big benefits from using these bags are the translucency. You can actually put in multiple colors, and then you won't have to constantly look at the end of your tip to find out what color you're using. You'll be able to see the actual color in the bag, so that way you can quickly pick it up to complete your task or do your job in an orderly fashion. These bags can be used for several different purposes. You can use them for actually melting chocolate. You can use them with poured ganache. You can use them with buttercream, whipped cream, whatever you might choose. And again, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida.